Welcome back my YouTube family. I'm your instructor. My name is Rashid. Today we are diving into a exciting topic, creating and understanding a fast food dashboard in Power BI. By the end of this video, you will have a clear understanding how to build and interpret this dashboard, making you more confident in using Power BI, Power Query and DAX language. So let's get started. At the top, we have the main key metrics displayed. Total sales, this is the total revenue generated. Total orders, this shows the total number of orders. Average pizza per order is 2. On average, each order contains at least 2 pizzas. Average orders per day, 60. On average, 60 orders are placed each day. At the top, we have also filters for year. If I will select this 2015, so your dashboard is sliced with reference to this year. More I can select January month, more I'm having days here, and I'm having the category. If I have to check the stats with reference to this chicken, I will be selecting this one, and the whole dashboard is sliced with reference to this category. More pie chart shows sales distribution by pizza categories like classic, supreme, chicken and veggie. Each slice represents the sales for each category, making it easy to see which type of pizza is the most popular with reference to the sales size. So this is the most popular with reference to this chart. Another pie chart displays sales distribution by pizza size from small to extra large. This helps us understand which size are more popular among customers. So as per this chart, large is more popular with reference to other sizes. Now let's discuss this line chart shows sales trends over the months. Each point on the line represents the total sales for a specific month. More, this is the forecasting line and my forecasting number is 68,000. The sales below this line is not satisfactory sales and the sales above this lines are the satisfactory sales. More, this bar chart displays total sales by the day of week. We can quickly see which day have the highest sales. So on Friday, I'm having 136,000 sales on Friday. So Friday is the most popular day with reference to the sales. And this is useful for planning, like we can make more promotional activities on Friday because on Friday we have more customers, more sales. Next up, this is the funnel chart. Break down the sales by quarter. It helps us understanding the sales performance over different quarters of the year. On second quarter, we have more sales, 208,000. The next chart shows the sales with reference to the hour of the day. This is a great for identifying busy hours and managing resources accordingly. Like in afternoon and in evening, we have more sales.
So now from here, I'm selecting this new report. First of all, I'm going to save this Power BI file. I'm pressing Ctrl S from my keyboard. I'm selecting this more option and at the bottom this browse. So here I'm going to save this file. This is my dashboard number 2. Save. So now my data is stored in CSV. So that's why I'm selecting this get data from another source. This second option is for CSV connect. And I will be importing these all files one by one. Now I'm going to this get data, this more. Again, I'm selecting this text CSV connect. So this file is uploaded already. Now I'm selecting this one orders. Load. Again, more text CSV connect. Pizza types. Now here I have to fix this problem. I have to set this row number 1 as header. So that's why I'm selecting this transform data. Under home, this is the option use first row as header. I'm selecting this one. Now you can see the first row is converted as heading. So now I'm going to this home. Under home, this is close and apply. Again, get data, more, this text CSV connect pizzas. So this is my last file. Now I'm going to load this file directly to Power BI because there is nothing wrong with related to the formatting. So load. Finally, I have uploaded my data successfully as you can see here. Now I'm going to visit this table view. Under table view, I'm going to add this new table. This is my calendar table. calendar auto. Okay. So now I will be making some columns that will help me to make analysis on the basis of time series. So I'm going to add this new column. Now here is a DAX calculation and here I have to provide the date. So it will give me years from this date. Again, I'm selecting this new column. Month number is equal to month is the DAX and I will provide it the date. Again, new column. Month name is equal to format and I will provide date and the format will be 3 times M parenthesis close enter. New column month year is equal to format calendar date and here the format will be 3 times month and then 2 times year. So it will give me the combination of month and year. Again this new column and here I will abstract the quarters from the date. Quarter is the tax formula and here I will give it the date parenthesis close enter. Again I'm selecting this new column. This is my day number is equal to day is the DAX formula and I will provide it the date. So it will give me the date number. Again selecting this new column and here I will be abstracting the day name is equal to again this format formula and I will give it the date and the format will be 3 times D. If I will give it 4 times D, it will give me the complete name of the day. But I need the shorter name, so that's why I'm giving it 3 times D. So finally my calendar table is ready. Now I'm going to visit my this model view. First of all, I'm going to remove the all connections and then I will guide you how to build these connections. So I'm just selecting this connection and pressing delete from my keyboard. This dialog box will pop up and here I will select yes. So it will remove the connection between the tables. So similarly, I will remove the rest. So now my tables are arranged and I have to build one-to-many relationship between these tables. So now I will connect this pizza type ID with this pizza type ID. So here is a one-to-many relationship. One mean one and Tariq mean many. And from here with my this pizza ID. So here is also one-to-many relationship and now this order ID to with this order ID. So here is also one-to-many relationship. So here I will be connecting my this date with my this date. So here is also one-to-many relationship. So if you want to learn the one-to-many relationship in detail, then you must watch this episode. In this episode, I have explained each and everything about one-to-many relationship. So now my tables are connected with each other and I'm going to my this report view. Now we are going to build the DAX calculations. So for this, I'm visiting this home. Under home, this is my enter data. And here I will be typing calculations load. So now I'm selecting this more option. This is my new measure and the first thing I have to calculate is the total sales. So as you can see here, I'm going to SumX. In SumX, my table is order details and I have to multiply the price and the quantity. The multiplication of these factors will give me the total sales. So basically my price is present in pizza table and my order quantity is present in my order details. So that's why here I'm using the related table function. This is a DAX function. It will give me the price from pizza table and then I will multiply it with my order details quantity. So now if I will press enter, it will give me my total sales. Now again I'm selecting this one, new measure. Now I have to calculate my total orders. Basically in my orders table, each row contains one order. So if I will count the rows of that table, it will return me the total orders. Now again I'm selecting this more option, new measure, and here I have to calculate average pizza order. So here I will calculate my total orders and I will divide them on total number of orders. So basically if I will select my this card here and if I will be selecting this average pizza order, it is returning me 2. That's mean the average order contains at least 2 pizza. Might be in my total orders there will be some orders of 5 pizza, some 10 pizza, 1, 1, 1, 3, 2. So the average number of per order is 2 pizza, 2.32. Hope so you got that formula. Now again I'm selecting this new measure, average order in a day. So here this is my total orders that I'm having these total orders and I will divide it with the total number of days. So when you will divide the total orders with total number of days, it will give you the per day sales or per day pizza orders. So basically this is a simple math calculation. So now if I will select this average order in a day. So basically we are selling 60 pizzas per day. So this is the average sales of a day. So finally our DAX calculations are completed. So now I'm selecting this one and press delete from my keyboard. I'm going to visit this view. Under view, this is temperature format that I'm going to select. Now I'm going to visit my this format your report page, and I'm going to visit this canvas background color. I'm going to select this one, and in this transparency set it to 50%. Now I'm going to this insert shape, selecting this one. Under shape, this is style, and I will change its color to this 10% white darker and make it 50%. Now I'm going to select it again, copy and control V, and I'm dragging it upward. So now I'm selecting this one. Under this shape, this is style, and I will disable the border, and again I'm going to under this fill, this is my color, and I'm selecting this one. Now again I'm selecting this shape, control C, control V. Under this shape, style, and making its color to white, transparency to 0. Again I'm making copy, control C and control V. I'm selecting this shape, under shape, style, and I will change its color to this one. Again I'm selecting these both shapes, right click on it, group, and make it group. Now I'm copying pasting it again copy and paste, again copy and paste, again copy and paste. Now I will selecting all of these shapes, and I'm going to visit this format. Under format, this align, the first option I will be selecting is align top, and the next one is distribute horizontally. Now I'm going to select this insert, and I will be selecting this text box, and here I will be typing fast food sales dashboard, and I will set its size to 24, make it bold. After the selection of this text box, I will be visiting this journal. Under journal, this is effect, and I will disable this background, and more I need to change its font color. So from here I will make it white. Here I will be selecting this card, and I will be selecting from my calculations this total sales. I will be visiting this format your visual. This is my callout value. I will make it bold. This display unit 2000, and set the decimal to 0. Then I'm selecting this category label, and I will make it bold. Then under this journal section, this is my effect, and I will disable its background. Under this visual, this is my callout value, and I will decrease its size to 38. Copy and paste, again copy paste, and again copy paste. Now I'm selecting my this one, and here I will uncheck this total sale, and I will be selecting total orders. Then I will be selecting this one, and I will uncheck this total sales, and I will be selecting this average pizza order. I'm visiting this format your visual, my this callout value, and here the units to none. Similarly I'm selecting this one, this last one, and I will replace this total sales to my this average order, and under my this format your visual, this is my callout value, and display units to none. Under visual, this is my category label, and I will decrease the size of category label to 10. I'm selecting my this shape, and under shape, this is style, and I'm making its transparency to 0. I'm going to select this slicer. Under my calendar, I'm going to select this year, format your visual, journal slicer setting, and here I'm going to select this drop down. This is my header, and I will make it bold. This is my values. This is background. First of all, I'm going to the background color of this window. So I will set the background color to this one, and the text color will be this white. Now when you will select it, the background of this window will be same color and the text color is white. Then under journal, this is effect, and I will disable the background color to none, and I have to change this slicer heading color to white. So this is my slicer heading under this visual, and I will make it white. So this is showing me so many years, so I have to show these years with reference to my data. So for this, in filters, I will put my this total sales here, and here I will be selecting this is not blank, apply. Now if I will filter this year, this will give me the years aligned with my sales data. So now this is giving me 2015 because my data is having sales only for 2015. So that's why now this is showing the sales of 2015. Now I'm copying and pasting it again. This is my month. So in my this calendar, I will uncheck this year and this is my month number. Again, I'm copying, pasting it here and I will replace this month number. In my pizza type, I'm going to select this category. More, I'm going to this format, align top and distribute horizontally. Now I'm going to select my this donut chart. In my this pizza type, I'm selecting this category and in my calculations, I'm going to select total sales. Under journal, this is my title and I will make it center align, background color to black, text color to white and make it bold. Now I'm going to copy and paste it again. Now here I will remove this category and I will be selecting this pizza size. So now this is showing me the sales with reference to the size of the pizza. Now again I'm copying and pasting it. First of all, I'm going to replace its type from this donut chart to this line chart and then I will replace this size and I'm visiting my calendar table. This is my calendar table and here I will be selecting the month number and I will put this month number to my x-axis. So now this is showing me the sales with reference to my months. I'm going to this format your visual and here I will on my data labels, this one and more. In my data labels, this is my background. This is the background of my data label. So the background of my data label will be black and I will set it 0 and the value, this is the value of the data label. I will make it white. I will set the data label value to 1000 and decimal to 0. Then under visual, this is my x-axis and here I will disable this title. Then I'm going to my this y-axis and I will disable this title and values as well. Now I'm going to select this add further analysis and here I will be selecting this average line, add, making on the data label, make it black and display unit to 1000 and decimal to 0. Line, make it this color and I will be selecting this dotted style. Now I'm selecting this one, copy and paste. First of all, I'm going to convert its type to this clustered bar chart and then I will replace this category in calendar table with my this day name. So this is showing me my sales with reference to the day names. Now I'm selecting my this chart and I'm visiting this format your visual. Now under my this y-axis, I will disable this title. Then I will be visiting my this x-axis and I will uncheck this title and these values as well. Now under my this visual, this is my data labels. I'm making it on. First of all, I'm going to enable the background of the data label and making this transparency to 0. This is my value of the data label and the color of the value will be white and make it bold. Display unit 2000 decimal to 0. Again, I'm selecting my this chart, copy, paste again. And first of all, I'm going to change the type to this funnel and I will replace this day name with my quarter. So this is my quarter and I will put this quarter to this category. So now this is showing me the quarter wise sales. I'm going to copy this total sales by month number and here I will remove this month number. Here I have to put the odds. So I'm going to select my this orders. So here in my orders, this is my time and here I'm going to add one new column is equal to or is a DAX calculation and in my orders this is time and I will extract or from this time. Now I'm going to this report view and here I'm going to paste or in my x-axis and I will convert the chart type to my this clustered column chart. So now this is showing me the sales for each hour in a day. It's 9 in the morning, it's 10 in the morning, 11, 12. So similarly you can analyze the sales of each hour and the average sale of the hour must be greater than 55,000. If the sales is less than 55,000, that is alarming, and if the sales are more than 55, so now if I'm selecting my this any chart, this chart is not slicing the whole dashboard. So I have to fix this. For this, I'm selecting my this chart and I'm going to this format, this edit interactions, and after selecting this total sales by size, and then I have to select this filter from rest of all charts. Similarly, this filter, the filter of these both charts is not visible, so that's why I'm making it like this. I'm selecting this one, filter and filter. Now I'm selecting my this chart, filter. Now I'm going to select this one. Now selecting this one. Now selecting this last one. Now if I will click this is slicing the rest charts, not slicing this one and this one. If I'm selecting this one, this is slicing, so this is working fine. And what about this? This is also working fine. This is okay. So this is not slicing this one, so I'm selecting this one. So now this is this filter. Now this is slicing this chart, and at the last I'm selecting this one, and this chart is not slicing this one and this one. So now so this is working perfect now. Now I'm going to select this one and going back to format, edit interaction, I will disable this option. So now my all these charts are connected to each other and they can slice data with reference to the selection as per your requirement. Now I'm going to this insert, and this is image, and I'm going to select all of these images one by one. I'm selecting all of these images journal, and I will make it 80-80. These are my per day order. This is my average pizza in each order. This is my order quantity, and this is my sales in amount. Now here I'm going to add a tooltip. When I will hover my cursor here, it will show me day name wise sales. If I will hover here, it will show me for large size. If I will hover here, it will show me for medium. So for this, I'm going to add one sheet here. This is my day name tooltip, and I'm going to this format your report page. This is my canvas setting, and from here I'm selecting this tooltip. Now I'm going to this build your visuals, selecting my this clustered bar chart, and here from my calculations I'm selecting my this total sales. From calendar I'm selecting this day name. Now I'm visiting my this format your visual. Under visual I'm going to on this data label, and I will set it background to black, make it 0% and this value to white. This one display unit to 1000, this decimal to 0. Now I'm going to this journal. This is my title, making the text to center align, background color to black and text color to white, make it bold. Under visual, this is my x-axis. On x-axis I'm having this title and this value. I have removed both of them, going to y-axis, and I will remove this title and make it bold. Now I'm going back to my this page, and I'm selecting my this chart, and I'm going to visit this format your visual journal. Under journal, this is tooltip, and I'm selecting this day name tooltip. Similarly, I'm selecting this one and also selecting this day name tooltip. Now if I will hover my this cursor here, this is showing me like I'm having 375k sales in large size. So this is the segregation of 375k. On Friday I'm having 64, on Thursday I'm having 57, and Friday is the day with highest sales of 64,000. So similarly I'm having this tooltip here as well. So this is more dynamic, and this is with reference to analysis part. So this dashboard is final now, and now I have to upload my this dashboard on Power BI portal. So for this I'm going to this home. Under home, this is publish, selecting this publish, save. Now I'm going to visit my Power BI portal. So this is my fast food sales dashboard 2. I'm selecting this one. And from here, I'm selecting this full screen. So finally, this dashboard is ready.
And that's how you create a fast food dashboard in Power BI. By following these steps, you can create your own dashboard to gain insights into your data. This dashboard not only helps in understanding sales trends, but also in making informed business decisions. If you found this video helpful, make sure to like, share, and subscribe to our channel. Stay tuned. Thanks for watching and see you in the next episode. Goodbye.